There are 13 darkest female secrets that no woman wants you to know. Women can't keep secrets. Somebody definitely knows them, if not you. Women can never love two men at the same time. It is always one. If you are not, you are not. There is no other way. The sexual desire in women is definitely more than that of men. Women don't want to face the rejection, insult, and embarrassment, no matter what. They always find someone to save them and take the blame. When she loves you, she smells everything that touches you, including your clothes and soap. Shyness and tears are not a valid effect to determine if she is a good woman, because she can fake it like a boss. When you cheat on her, she doesn't hate you, she hates that woman you cheated with. Women are far more curious than men. They want to know about others, not things. She doesn't like surprises, she just pretends to like the idea of it. Your performance in bed matters the most. You can be sad or happy knowing this. It is not the love that makes her mad, it is hate. Hate is the fuel of woman. Every woman wants to be a queen, so she will always look for a king. That means leader, boss, or simply the lead character. Woman will easily leave the man she loves, but she will never leave the man she admires. Women don't like you having other relationships. They just want the idea that you can easily get other girls.